The Bluetooth is missing on my computer. Let's say how to fix. First method. Type find and fix problems with Bluetooth device. I hope your problem is solved. If this method doesn't solve your problem, you can try the next method. Second method. Go to Device Manager and update your Bluetooth driver. Third method. Go to Services and change Bluetooth settings. If you are doing all three processes, I hope your problem is solved.